Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with HubSpot for insurance customer onboarding workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your workflows. Click on the Automation tab in the main menu. Select Workflows from the drop-down options. Choose the workflow you wish to authorize for insurance customer onboarding. Click on Edit to enter the workflow editing mode. Locate the action that requires authorization for your insurance onboarding process. Select the action and look for the Choose an Account option. If prompted, click on Connect an Account to initiate the authorization process. You will be redirected to a new window to log in to your insurance provider's portal. Enter your credentials and authenticate your account. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for HubSpot to access the data. Return to your HubSpot workflow and select the newly authorized account. Confirm that the account is now displayed in the Choose an Account dropdown. Proceed to configure any additional settings relevant to the onboarding workflow. Ensure all actions in your workflow are correctly set up to utilize the authorized account. Finally, review the entire workflow for accuracy and completeness. Save your changes to finalize the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.